My name is Rosanna, and I work with the Cisco SD-WAN Tech team. In this video, you are shown how to troubleshoot data policy drops using packet trace feature on cEdge devices. In this topology, you have CHA and CHB. Both have service VPN 100. Host 192.168.1.1 on CHA cannot ping host 172.16.1.1 on CHB. Packet trace is used to troubleshoot. First, configure packet trace on CHA with debug platform packet trace packet 1024 FIA Trace. Then, set the matching conditions for 172.16.1.1 IP on both directions with debug platform condition IPv4 172.16.1.1/32 both. Verify the conditions set with show platform conditions. After the condition has been configured, start the trace with debug platform condition start. Host 192.168.1.1 tries to ping 172.16.1.1. After the failed ping test has been done, stop the trace with debug platform condition stop. An overview of the captured packets can be obtained with show platform packet trace statistics. These are being dropped with a recent 483 SD-WAN data policy drop. Execute show platform packet trace summary to see the state for each packet. Pick packet 0 and execute show platform packet trace packet 0. On the first section of path trace feature IPv4, check the input interface, source IP, destination IP, and protocol. On the feature nvar, check the app classification, in this case ping. nvar is able to identify other applications such as WebEx, Teams, and so on, as long as app visibility is enabled. Scroll down to the section Path Trace Feature SD-WAN Data Policy In. It will have the following information: policy name and sequence 1 that matches the traffic. Also, the action is drop packet. Verify the centralized data policy with show SD-WAN policy from bsmart and check the sequence 1 with drop action. After bsmart policy sequence 1 is changed to accept the traffic, run the ping and check the packet trace summary again. First, clear the previously captured packets with clear platform packet trace statistics, and then start the capture with debug platform condition start. Test ping again. Ping now it's successful and all traffic is set to forward. Check packet 0 with show platform packet trace packet 0 and see the same classification. Review SD-WAN app route policy matching the SLA. Now, in the SD-WAN data policy in, the action set as none, and this forwards the packet. Once all tests has been completed, clear the conditions with clear platform condition all. Thank you for watching.